Are you looking for the best action cameras? In this video, we will look at some of the 8 best action cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Insta360 One RS. The Insta360 One RS is an action cam that supports swappable lenses, a unique capability for sure. When we tested a basic kit with a 4K main lens for 16:9 footage and a dual-lens 360 module for all-around recording, we appreciated the versatility and creative features. For higher quality recording, Insta360 even offers Leica-branded modules for both single-lens and dual-lens recording, thus making the camera upgradable. If you can't quite decide between a standard single-lens cam and a dual-lens 360 model, the Insta360 One RS might be the camera for you. It records pleasing 4K 60 video with stabilization and supports extra-wide 2.35:1 recording. The dual-lens module does 5.7K 30 and works with Insta360's excellent editing tools. Number 2. Insta360 Go3. Cameras don't get much smaller than the Insta360 Go3. The capsule-sized model records 2.7K 30 video, is waterproof, and works well for point-of-view captures, an aspect that video creators are sure to like. The included action pod housing turns the Go into a standard action cam with a flip-forward touch screen, so it's not a one-trick pony. The Go3 should appeal to creators who want a wearable camera or adventurers who want something they can mount in interesting places to capture unique perspectives. Make sure you are comfortable with video editing tools, however, since the Go3 requires you to run footage through its app to create time lapses or apply digital stabilization. Number 3. GoPro Max. GoPro's dual-lens action camera uses 2 lenses to record the entire world around it, but can also function as a single-lens action cam. The Max's strengths as a 360-degree camera are its sharp video quality and software reframing tools. That's not to mention the 6 internal microphones that grab the best in-camera audio of any action cam we've tested. As you might expect from a GoPro, the Max is also tough and waterproof, though only to 16 feet. The GoPro Max is a top pick for creators who want a dual-lens 360 camera and care a lot about audio quality. Travel vloggers and others who present to the camera won't have to fiddle with an external mic with this one, and the Max is waterproof to boot. GoPro offers reframing tools for creative edits too, though they're not quite as polished as what you get with the Insta360 X3. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 uses a big Type 1/1.3 format image sensor to produce crisp video in dim light, better than what you get from the GoPro Hero 12. The Osmo's pixel count isn't as high as the Hero 12's, but it still supports up to 4K 120 or 1080p 240 video and takes 10MP snapshots. We also like its 75-minute battery life, dual touch screens, and 59-foot waterproof rating. The Osmo Action 4 is worth a look if you like to explore the world after the sun goes down. The front touch screen is handy for self-recording, and the camera's tough build quality means you don't have to worry about it breaking during rough and tumble use. Number 5. DJI Action 2. The DJI Action 2 rethinks the action cam design. It's modular and has magnetic mounting points that let you place the camera in tight spots that can't quite hold a GoPro. You can even use the camera as a wearable body cam with the included pendant necklace mount. Video quality is strong too, with 4K 120 recording available for action and slow motion. If you're looking for a small, wearable camera for travel logs and adventures, the Action 2 is a good choice. The camera's video features are competitive with GoPro's, and the industrial design is a winner for style-conscious influencers. Number 6. GoPro Hero 10 Black. Now 2 generations old, the Hero 10 Black remains in the GoPro lineup as the affordable option. It records 5.3K 60 and 4K 120 video just like the Hero 12, but it uses a 4:3 aspect sensor that isn't as versatile for pulling out vertical frames and lacks the newer model's HDR profile. Even so, the camera produces sharp video with effective stabilization and works with the same media mod accessory system. This is a good pick for action cam fans on a budget. At around $250, it undercuts the price of other GoPro and DJI models, and if you're willing to pay for an annual GoPro subscription, adds useful features like automated video editing and direct uploads from camera to cloud. Number 7. Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 is the camera to get for dual-lens, 360-degree video. It captures an all-around view of the world and gives you the software tools to do interesting and creative things with the video. The camera is waterproof and can survive rough handling too, so it's suitable for mounting and capturing action. Creators who want to try their hand at 360-degree capture and the editing techniques that go with it should find a lot to like about the X3. Its HDR video profile handles mixed lighting well, and you can use the camera for special effects shots like Matrix-style bullet time and time-lapse with motion. Number 8. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is, bar none, the best action cam you can buy today. It's the latest version of the camera that defined the concept and the most technically advanced. It supports 5.3K 60, 4K 120, and 2.7K 240 capture and matches them up with best-in-class stabilization and horizon leveling. Scenes with mixed lighting benefit from HDR at 5.3K 30 or 4K 60. A nearly square image sensor boosts picture quality for creators pulling vertical 9:16 frames for TikTok, while its rugged and waterproof build means you don't need an add-on case. The Hero 12 Black is as versatile an action cam as you can find. Surfers, skateboarders, and other X Games participants can strap the camera to their person or board to get first-person views of stunts. Vloggers should appreciate its front-facing color display, standard tripod socket, and media mod accessory system. And 10-bit video with your choice of standard, HDR, or log color is a real benefit for editors.